Sometimes we block the flow of money because we're taught that we have to work hard for it and prove our worth in order to receive it. And so we attach exhaustion to attaining more money. So let's do some tapping to clear these beliefs. We'll start at the karate chop. Even though part of me believes money only comes through exhaustion and proving, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though another part of me believes overflow is for later, once I've done enough work, I'm open to the possibility that overflow can be safe. Even though I've carried these beliefs for years, I honor myself for surviving this way, and I'm ready to choose a new pattern. I've linked money with exhaustion. I've believed that I have to prove myself to earn more. My body remembers how tiring success has felt. No wonder I've felt inconsistent highs and lows. I release the need to prove my worth. I release the belief that more money equals more exhaustion. I allow money to flow without draining me. It's safe to receive simply because I am worthy. I've been waiting for overflow in the future, always after more healing, more work, more proving. That keeps me in the waiting room. And it's exhausting to wait. I choose to let overflow be available now. I don't have to delay joy, love, or abundance. I can live as if overflow is already mine. Overflow is safe for me now. I allow money to come with ease. My worth is not tied to how hard I work. My being is valuable. It's safe to hold more without collapsing. It is safe to receive pleasure, compliments, and overflow. I allow micro overflow today. Flowers, rest, softness, money, abundance now. I anchor overflow in this present moment. I am the person who receives with ease. I am the person who holds overflow. I am safe in abundance. I no longer delay my desires. I allow money to multiply with peace and joy. I welcome easeful wealth right now. Overflow belongs to me now. I choose ease. I choose overflow now. Money is safe. Ease is safe. Overflow is safe. I no longer need to prove myself, and I no longer need to postpone my desires. I receive now with joy, ease, and trust. a nice deep breath in. Sigh it out. And I hope this opens the channels of receiving and overflow for you.